Feature-egine is an open-source Python library for feature engineering and selection for machine learning models. It has a series of transformers that allow you to modify features in multiple ways, and one of its standout features is that the transformers take in data frames as input and return data frames as output with the transform variables by default. This compatibility with pandas makes it incredibly easy to embed feature engineering within your exploratory data analysis processes. As you transform and engineer features, you can immediately see the results in the familiar data frame structure, which is perfect for quick visualizations and further feature analysis. This integration simplifies the workflow, ensuring that your data remains organized and ready for the next steps in your machine learning pipeline. So with Feature-egine, enhancing your data while maintaining its structure has never been easy. So check it out and let us know what you think about it in the comments. And if you like Feature-egine, please share or like this video and help us spread the word. Thank you.